So, dear diary, I have been in a mood lately, like cleaning mood every day. I just want my house to look like nobody lives there and just enjoy life. This week's Amazon finds, and I'm going to share with y'all, hopefully, 30 days of Amazon finds because I've been finding like the best stuff. Everything is home decor for the most part. I like a little fashion now and then and getting dressed up and beauty and all that. But you're going to see what I find. This outfit is actually from Glad. She's a black owned leisure wear girly. And I'm just showing y'all a little salsa dancing because I was living my life. But actually, I had got this broom from Amazon, and it's linked in my store if you want it. It is such a cute broom, like so cute, and it's so easy to just put it in the corner after I sweep it without having to empty it if I don't want to. It's not like a dustpan. I don't have to bend over and hurt my back. So it's basically getting the job done with little to no effort. And I'm in love. My husband loves it. The kids love it. It's so convenient. And it actually works. Like, I love something that's minimalistic, aesthetically pleasing, and actually work. So that's why I went with the black and white broom. Again, it's linked in my Amazon store. And these are my bar stool chairs. So comfy. They're low back. There's not a full back, which I love. Again, I love the linen on it. It's very neutral cream, easy to clean. I also sprayed them with Scotch Guard because, I have kids, but they don't sit there for the most part, especially if they're eating. Maybe if they're just sitting there just to watch TV or looking at me cook dinner, they sit there, but they don't eat there. They have a little table off to the side. You can see it's a little white table on the side that they sit at and eat their food. But these chairs are really cute. At the bottom, you can see that you can adjust the height of the footstool, the foot holder, whatever you want to call it. And I have different ones because, sometimes you want your legs longer, sometimes you want them higher. So I did both. You can make them all the same, but I just did them. I can switch it up if I want to as well. They were easy to put together. Again, very sturdy, lightweight, but very, very sturdy. And then, that's about it. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask your girl because I have been, again, on a roll with just finding Amazon stuff and getting things together. So if y'all want to see this or see more, please comment and like and subscribe because I'm on a journey of posting every day just for the next 30 days. And I want y'all to hold me accountable. If I don't, forgive me. I'm a mom. I have a lot of stuff that I have to take care of. So until next time, y'all stay blessed. Toodles.